Most luxury SUV owners would panic when they see this much salt and mud on their paint. With proper protection, watch how easily this all comes off. What you're about to see is why washing your vehicle becomes effortless once the right protection has been applied.
Here we have a 2025 Rivian R1S that we previously applied Icon Rocklear, Nanolink PPF, and a 5-year ceramic coating on all the wheels, glass, and trim to about 1 month ago. And it is now back for its inspection follow-up. So I have its owner, Selynna, over here. Selynna, could you please explain to us why the lighting is horrible here? Let's come over here in the shade. Selynna, what the heck happened to the Rivian to make it so dirty?
This weekend I went on a Tahoe trip and there was a lot of mud and slush everywhere. So took my Rivian out to the slopes and got this dirty.
Yeah, but you actually take this out to do what with it?
To go snowboarding.
Snowboarding, sick. And then besides snowboarding, you also use it to go?
To Vegas for rock climbing.
Cool. So Selynna actually uses the Rivian to go off-roading like the car was designed for, instead of just being like a pavement princess. I've seen some people pick it up and they just kind of drive it around to like mall crawl and do errands and stuff, which is more power to you, but I respect when the car is actually used for its intended purpose, you know? It's out there getting dirty like it's supposed to. But we're gonna showcase how much of this dirt and mud is gonna come off with just the foam bath by itself. So Kevin, we'll go ahead and get started on this, and we'll go ahead and get some close-ups right after the foam bath. No wash mitt, just completely hands off, and we're gonna do a touchless foam bath first. Okay, so Kevin just finished foaming and rinsing off the car. Let's go ahead and check out how dirty it is now. So one of the areas in the front that was really, really dirty had a ton of mud, like this whole lower section down here on the black plastic trim, that was ceramic coated. So it looks like the dirt and everything did not really stick to that. Probably some salt as well, since it was Tahoe. The wheels were ceramic coated. Let's take my finger, and that's how much dirt came off of my finger after touching it. And touch another section. Here, there's 2 fingers. There's still some detectable level of dirt there, but for how effortless that was, I would say that's a huge win. So over here on the trim over on the bottom, this was also very dirty. That's how much dirt is left. The badges, we also ceramic coated these. The actual paint itself, you can still tell right down here at the very bottom, the side skirt, there's a little bit of leftover dirt. So we are gonna do a hand wash for that. But for a lot of vehicle owners that come back and we get feedback from them in real world data, they tell us like they will rinse off the car more often than not because they really frankly don't care that the very bottom of the car is dirty. They would prefer 5 minutes of effort and then they just move on about their day. Let's check out the back of the car. Selynna, what do you think so far? How clean is it?
Super clean. I'm honestly really surprised I just haven't done much cleaning on my car in general. So
Yeah, but like when
haven't
you
been-
have rinsed it before, like you rinsed it once or twice since you last stopped by, right?
one time, yeah.
Okay, and then did you use like soap or just straight water?
It was straight water with one of those car washing brushes.
Car washing brushes,
And I
okay.
just ran it once, and pretty much everything came off.
Okay.
There we go.
Yeah, but for kind of being like touchless, right?
Yes.
Like it's pretty crazy to see that much dirt and salt
Yes.
and mud come off the car.
Yes,
Right
it
on.
was extremely gross right before this.
Yeah. Okay, in the back here, we had, the glass was also ceramic coated, so I remember the rear windshield back here, really dirty. So let's take my finger here. Nothing. The Rivian badge, I remember it was really, really dirty back here. So the paint has Rocklear, glass wheels and trim, 5-year ceramic coating from Underdog. Let's go to the rear right here. This section was also a lot of dirt. Underdog soap in the foam cannon and the pressure washer rinse, and that's it. So now we're gonna follow up with our bucket and wash mitts to get those lower sections and then do our drying pass, and that's pretty much it. So all in, probably like 20-30 minutes to finish the whole car.
Since the Rivian now has barely any dirt left on it, we're going to finish off by drying the car. We always make sure to use a drying aid like the Underdog Mystery Elixir spray here that is going to help lubricate the towel to help prevent any micro scratches from happening when you're drying off the vehicle. When Selynna first brought her Rivian to us, it came with Nevada rocks and debris trapped in the body panel crevices from delivery. We squeezed her appointment in for her at the last moment right before her cross-country move. Rather than trying to spend all night removing every particle, we prioritized getting her paint protected for the journey ahead. During today's follow-up visit, we're able to properly address those trouble spots, pressure washing the crevices completely clean, and reapplying fresh PPF at no additional cost for her. This attention to detail is why we offer follow-up inspections with every protection package.
But yeah, sometimes I'll post about stuff that I've been thinking about the story or whatever.
While Selynna's here, we're also installing our new windshield protection film for her. Similar to PPF, but engineered specifically for glass, this specialized film creates an invisible barrier against rock chips and road debris. It's particularly important for Rivian owners since these advanced windshields can cost thousands of dollars to replace due to their integrated sensors and heating elements. The film also resists scratches from windshield wipers, lasting about 1 to 2 years of daily driving. By preserving the factory original windshield, we help avoid the headache of having the vehicle torn apart for replacements, especially important for modern EVs where the windshield is integrated with various safety systems. As you saw, proper protection makes maintaining your vehicle incredibly simple. Even Tahoe's salt and mud just slides right off. With Icon Rocklear, ceramic coatings, and PPF, including the windshield protection film, Selynna can now focus on adventures instead of worrying about cleaning. If you want to see exactly how we apply Icon Rocklear to preserve another vehicle, check out our GTR video or FK8 Civic Type R video where we walk through the entire process step by step that's on the screen now. Thanks for watching, and hit subscribe if you want to see more cars getting the Dragon Auto treatment. Once again, I'm Noah, the founder and co-owner, and I will catch you in the next one.